Is the stock market really close to a crash? The better question would be, is the bond market really close to a crash, as some headlines suggest at the moment? But I think you have to keep everything in perspective. I go back a long time in the markets, and I remember well when in the mid-70s, investors were quite surprised that suddenly 3 months deposit rates were up to 10%. Was that a disaster? Well, it depends how you look at it. For the savers and investors that had cash in the bank, it was the best of all times. Having 10% return on your money was easy investment, and you didn't really have to be a genius to perform very well and be satisfied and afford everything you wanted to buy. If you were an investor in shares and property, it was also a good time in a way because you had opportunity to pick up good assets at bargain prices. And in a way, we are in the same situation again now. If I look at selected charts of companies, in particular on the continent, and Germany, for example, is the best example here because it is close to Russia and the Ukraine situation and therefore suffers a lot from all the bad vibes that are dominating the media at the moment. If you look carefully, you can pick up values, and you just need to be patient for 2 or 3 years and you will have a good performance. Obviously, the alternative is that the world gets into a major crisis. The war in the Ukraine gets extended, and asset prices fall quite a lot further. But obviously, that is the worst possible scenario. And I think it's not really rational to plan for that possibility. And because what does it matter if there is really a major crisis? It doesn't matter how much money you have in the bank. The government is probably able to take it away from you or reduce your access, and you're not much better off. So as long as you have a secure home, fully paid preferably, you should be able to wait out any crisis.